What's up guys, Bradley from Fury Motorsports here. The wait is over. I've got some inventory to show you. I'm so excited. We've got 2 truckloads in the last 3 days and I want to show you guys. Right here we got my 2026 40th year GSX-R. Check this thing out. This thing is sick. We got the classic pearl blue mixed with the white for that classic GSX-R look. We got the 17-inch front wheel with the, again, beautiful blue inside, some sexy decals. Underneath the skin, we've got 599 cc's of twisted steel and motor appeal. The person this bike is designed for is that rider who lives in the rev limit. And if your heart skipped a beat like mine just did, this bike's for you. This thing has a 31.9-inch seat height. I love the tank personally. Kind of allows you to squeeze it and really just get into the corners. I mean, this bike is made to rip. This machine has a 6-speed manual transmission with the slipper clutch. I want to talk about what the slipper clutch is because it's new and it's pretty cool. So if you've ever had to come to a quick stop on a motorcycle, it's really common to get rear wheel hop. And what the slipper clutch does, it allows for a little bit of play in the transmission. And it's really for the rider who has a rider in the back. Myself, I ride with my 11-year-old daughter all the time. My bike does not have the slipper clutch, so I blip shift. And if I don't blip shift and I have to stop quick, she's just beating my back up. With this bike and the slipper clutch, it completely prevents that. The price on this is $12,399 plus tax and fees. Guys, if you mention this video, I got something special for you. Onto my Segway Villain SX10 WX. Tucked away back here, we've got a parallel twin 1000cc engine putting out 105 horsepower. This one does come equipped with a tire rack and spare tire. Underneath the spare tire, we've got a little bit of trunk space. Hold about 200 pounds. It's a great location for a cooler with your food and beverages for the day. This one's gonna come with 32-inch tires, 18-inch rear wheel travel. Does have the rock sliders to protect your sides from those sticky situations. As we make our way up to the front, standard winch, 4,500 pound capacity, 72-inch front stance. This one does have the full windshield with the air vents. We got mirrors and the roof rack. Pop it open. We've got the high back adjustable seat with the tilting steering wheel, 10.4-inch touchscreen with all your apps, with all your maps, with all that good stuff. If you purchase this vehicle and mention the video, I got something for you.
August 14th through 16th at the Norris Penrose Event Center, we're back at the Pioneer Rodeo. We had such a fun time last year watching the bull riding, steer wrestling, mutton busting, and then the demolition derby on Sunday, but this year we're adding a little bit of powersports touch. So get your tickets at pioneerrodeo.com, use promo code FURY at checkout.
I am super excited to show you guys this. This right here is a Class 2 750 watt e-bike. When's the last time you've seen a 3-wheeler? Quick backstory on this. These were outlawed in 1985. There's one guy in Arizona who has the patent, so this one right here is 100% legal, and I'm here to tell you it is so much fun. There was a mega ride up in Denver a couple weeks ago, and I was fortunate enough that the people down here let me take this, and it was so much fun. I'm gonna say out of roughly 1,800 bikes, there might have been 30 or 40 legal bikes, and I was legal, and it was such a blast. Right now, I've got $1,000 off this machine. If you come down and you purchase this, mention this video, I got something special for you. Next up, we've got my GSX 1000 GT Grand Touring. Check out the pearl white. I love that color. Now this bike right here is designed to drive from New York to California at any age. This is probably the most comfortable bike I have here. And what I want to point out the riding position, which is my favorite thing about this bike. I'm not that old, but I don't like this. I like this. The riding position is perfect. I mean, my hips are right under my back. We've also got the luggage. Again, this is a Grand Tourer. I mean, you can put your food and your beverage in there, whatever you need. Got 2, and these are quick release. You just take the key, you turn it, and you can take them off. You can take them inside with you. You can do whatever you want. This is 999cc liquid cool. Has the SIRS system, which is the Suzuki Intelligent Ride System. This thing is loaded with tech. It has 5 different traction control modes. It has 3 different ABS modes. It has a massive digital cluster right here with all your displays. This bike is sick. If you purchase this bike and you mention this video, I got something special for you. This bike is $14,399 plus tax and fees. Come check us out.